Let me ask you something. What do you believe about yourself when nobody's watching? When the world is silent? When the lights are off? When it's just you and your thoughts? Do you see the person you want to be or the person you fear you are? Why is it so easy to believe the doubts and so hard to believe in your own potential? Why do you let stress win? Why do you let fear speak louder than your vision? Today, we change that. You can think your way into stress. You can think your way into misery. You can think your way into quitting. But if you change your mind, you change your life. When you feel like giving up, when your energy is low, when your vision feels impossible, you must remember, it's always darkest before dawn. And listen to me, dawn is coming. There will be moments when you feel alone, moments when they laugh at your dreams, moments when you question your sanity. You'll ask yourself, am I crazy for believing this hard? Am I crazy for wanting more? Yes, you're crazy. And that's exactly why you'll win. Because the people who change the world are the ones who refuse to settle for the one they were given. People will doubt you. People will laugh at you. People will say you're delusional. But you must decide. Is their doubt going to break you or build you? Let their doubt fuel you. Let their doubt become the fire in your chest. The best revenge is massive success. Not talking, not explaining, not convincing. Winning. Showing them that the version of you they dismissed was only the training version. Change your mind and you'll change everything. You want to build something, create something, become something? I don't know how? Then learn, work, fight, push. Nobody is coming to hand you your dream. Nobody is coming to save you. This is your responsibility. You cannot win if you cannot see yourself winning. Every champion wins twice, first in the mind, then in reality. Every single day, you wake up and see the vision as if it's already done. You taste it, you smell it, you feel it. You were there before you arrived. See yourself breaking through. See yourself living the life you want. See yourself at the finish line every single morning. Your mind has limits. Limits created by fear, by doubt, by your environment, by the people around you. But once you stretch your mind, once you expand your vision, once you allow yourself to dream bigger, it never snaps back to its old size. So stretch it every day, again and again. Don't wait for approval. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for someone to say you can do it. It's your dream, not theirs. Take ownership of it. Guard it. Build it. Protect it. By any means necessary. Stop expecting people to support your dream. Stop. It's not their job. Some of you want success, but you want someone else to push you into it. No. If you want it, rise and grind. When you're alone in the dark, when nobody sees the work, when the effort feels invisible, that's when champions are made. Believe when nobody else sees it. Feel it when it's not tangible. Dream it before it's real. Be possessed with the vision. Start preparing yourself now for the life you expect to live. Talk like a winner. Walk like a winner. Think like a winner. If you expect greatness, you will chase greatness. And if you chase greatness long enough, you become it. Believe in yourself. Believe in your abilities. Believe in your future. Believe in your dream. Because the day you truly believe in yourself is the day the world has to believe in you too.